G'day guys, today we're going to be building the ant. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Here we got the guys laying out the ties for where our ant is going to sit. And we've marked that out with a bit of old primer that we had lying around. And then we're going to start digging those holes about half the diameter of the tyres. Now we've grabbed some wood that we're going to use for the ant's antenna. This is the type of wood that they use for holding up the buildings here, so it's going to be nice and strong. Use whatever wood's available to you. Ask the local builders as well, find out what's the best wood to be using. With this ant we're going to round off the tops of those ones so there's nothing sharp or anything if any kids fall on top of it. Again, with these ones you want to get right inside of those tyres and fill in with a lot of dirt, and that'll keep them much more secure. And now we're just enlarging those holes so that we can fit wooden antennas in there. They're just about ready to go, and we're going to attach those to the tyres using some really long nails. So you can use these step-by-step instructions here, I've printed them out, follow them as you go along, and they're really simple, basic diagrams which will show how to go each step of the way along with these videos and written instructions. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.